A new beginning in London. Daniel took a deep breath as he stepped off the plane at Heathrow Airport. The cool London air hit his face, a stark contrast to the warmth of Turkey. He clutched his small suitcase, his only companion in this new adventure. He had dreamed of this moment for years, moving to London for a better life, a good job, and most importantly, to master English. Back in Turkey, opportunities were scarce, but here, in this vast city, anything felt possible. As he walked through the airport, he spotted a man holding a sign with his name, Daniel Carter. The man, a tall American with dark hair and glasses, smiled warmly. "Daniel, I'm James Walker. Welcome to London." "Thank you," Daniel said, his accent thick but his determination stronger. James was a friend of a friend, an American who had lived in London for 10 years. He had offered Daniel a place to stay until he could find his own. They took a taxi through the city, passing the glowing lights of Piccadilly Circus and the towering Big Ben. Daniel stared out the window, mesmerized. "This city never sleeps," James chuckled. "You'll love it here." The first struggles. The next morning, Daniel woke up early and walked to a local cafe. He ordered a coffee but struggled to understand the barista's fast British accent. "Excuse me," he said, trying to process the words. The barista smiled. "No worries, mate." I said, "Do you want sugar?" Daniel laughed nervously. No sugar, please." Each interaction felt like a test, but he was determined to pass. Later that day, he went to a job agency. A woman named Sarah greeted him. "So, Daniel, tell me about your skills," she said kindly. Daniel hesitated. He had worked in many jobs: construction, cleaning, even helping in a small restaurant. But he lacked official experience. "I work hard. Any job I do," he said. Sarah nodded. "That's a good attitude. I'll find something for you." Within a week, Daniel started working in a hotel, cleaning rooms and helping guests. It wasn't easy, but he didn't mind. Every day, he practiced English with customers, writing new words in a small notebook. The dream takes shape. Months passed, and life in London became easier. Daniel moved into a small flat, started speaking English confidently, and even found a better job as a waiter. One day, he walked through Hyde Park, reflecting on his journey. He had left everything behind: his home, his struggles, his fears to chase a new life. And now, he was living it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.